Once you are in IIM Bangalore, you'll get placed. Now, of course, अब क्या stress है?
But I still don't understand what's your job and what's your team's job, and that makes me uncomfortable.
तो एक बड़ी सी टाइम पीस रखी थी और ऐसे पम्प करके बजाया 1 minute starts और कुछ बोलो.
Yeah. Okay, so your black box seems a lot more darker.
If you get a call from 2 IAMs, then you have to go write 2 essays. That means.
Yeah. I don't remember doing anything else but to prepare for the interviews, everything possible.
So what's your typical day?
So proud to tell everybody from my engineering friends कि हमारा alumni event OL में था. एक तो वैसे ही IIM Bangalore है, ऊपर से I tell them about the event and they are like, wow, amazing, this and that, scale, grand.
Tell us about the placement process. होता क्या है and how many days are there?
HR asked me 500 times कि और पक्का joining right? अगर जरा भी doubt है तो बोल दो अभी ही.
ऐसी सिचुएशन में अगर आप स्ट्रेस नहीं पाल रहे तो दूसरों को स्ट्रेस देख के लगता है कुछ गलत तो नहीं कर रहे
कुछ तो हाँ I feel that there is a trend that India में junior level पे you earn a lot more in banking. As you grow, it starts stagnating.
No, but in Silicon Valley, if I take a ride for $100, the Uber driver gets $35.
Maybe I'll explain it better in 3 more months.
And did those classes help? I'm very interested to know because CAT has changed since we gave.
But on WorkX, I used to think, I didn't know that they look at what domain were you in. I thought it's just straightforward. I didn't know that it's subjective.
The salary doesn't increase as proportionately. But after a few years,
Yeah,
whether it's in
bonus
India
types,
or
huh?
abroad, it's like then you start getting performance bonuses.
Finally, you have that beautiful no white space, full page, equally divided resume. I don't even know you guys are on the other side. I don't know आप देखते भी हो क्या?
Do you go to him and tell him,
नहीं.
"Ki, look, I have opportunities for you to invest money." Like,
Do you get the other details? कि उसका CAT score कितना था?
तो तुम्हारी टीम करती क्या है? मैं अभी तक नहीं समझ पाया.
You decide कि यार ये McKinsey से आ रहा है versus इस बंदे ने 2 साल तो सिर्फ Uber driver करा है.
Correct.
Although if you ask me, वो Uber driver ने 2 साल ज़्यादा सीखा होगा.
करेक्ट.
It's very unethical to do it.
Newspaper headlines में कि यार I am salary. And salary is not the only thing that we all do. We have a good life and a good career, and why IIMs are probably the best institute in India.
Bangalore Auto Drivers Union, they hired a software firm to build the same software and then there was no fee.
Is Purva the youngest guest we have had on the show?
I think that will be a very investor or VC fundable business.
Then you're free to choose as many birds as you want from wherever. Hand, bush, Toby.
That seems like a very important role, right?
They missed on an absolutely brilliant candidate, and we got her in the IIM because they were just too late in giving a PPO.
That's kind of the nicest way probably I've heard this put in.
जो effort देता है ना, that shines through.
Because infrastructure is very capital intensive, right? You need a lot of money in general. So a lot of the times, though they have those 100 million, they would also need a lot of loans.
If you don't change your inputs, your outputs won't change.
इस एपिसोड का नाम दे देते हैं IIMs are known for FOMO.
3 seconds for the resume.
Which day of placement did you get placed? Did you get placed on day 0, day 1,
No.
day 2?
Purva, what is this thing about percentile? I've still not gotten used to.
They would never come to us.
बाहर जाके कर लो अगर करना ही है जितने हाँ बोल रहे हैं जिसको बोल मुझे लगा ये तो बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है
I didn't know this level of detail on the admissions process.
तो मुझे लगता है we should have a reverse of that happening कि इंडिया में interesting models हैं they should come to Silicon Valley now.
And फिर तुम उनका बिजनेस बाकी लोगों को बांटते हो और अपने बाकी लोगों से पॉइंट्स कमाते हो कि उनको कितना बिजनेस दिया. रेसिप्रोसिटी.
हमारे समय में we just had a CAT exam we didn't have a written test तो written test अलग से होता है no we don't that's the thing.
I think it's completely ethical because it's a free market.
IIM Bangalore holds any day a lot more value in India than anywhere else.
You are sitting at the center of all the information from all the different parts.